Stripped down to the bare metal skin to find exactly what went wrong within. Case is split open, gears in a row, under the light of the shed's dim glow. Measuring the bolt that fell in the pan, a tiny little hitch in the master plan. 5 millimeters wide, 35 long, the piece of the puzzle where it doesn't belong.
Okay, I've double checked, triple checked. I think I've got all the bolts out. I keep questioning myself, does this on the timing tensioner, does that go through further than just, but there's nothing on this side. I guess I'll just keep tapping in. Well, that sounds a bit hollow, so maybe that's... There we go. Slight gap. There's a dowel through there. Oh, here we go. Now, the big reveal.
Leaving the charging system completely bereft, or did it back out of the pulse time amount, making the sparks and the timing miss.
Gearbox is on that side. Yeah, no bits of filings. I think this must be the oil temperature sensor or something. Just stops inside. Okay, I'm going to set this on that side. It does have 2 studs that go right through. And let's see what the issue was. Hopefully nothing serious. There's the half round. There's one bolt, 5 by 35, and that's the one I think that was in here. That's where the Gauze filter was. There's number 2. And there was a third one I could see when I used the endoscope camera. So, don't know what that's from. Where's the third one? Where's the third one? Up here. Oops. I don't want things falling out because I'll never get this back together. Yeah, there it is on it. 1, 2, oh, and 3. There it came out. So that's just a plastic cover. So it probably wouldn't have done any damage, although I assume that's there for a reason. So that must have oil splashing around, or this helps flick oil up into the gearbox or something. So that is good news. That's all good, that's all good. So long as these threads are okay. Let's have a look. Forming. Get screws in. That's going in. And this must be smaller again. Oh, 4 gauge. Oh wow, it is 4mm, but it's so tight. Okay, they all go tight when they get to that depth, just slightly higher than the cog. So maybe some Loctite might be the go, because I don't fancy doing this in a hurry. Now I just need to find out, can you use Loctite when it's all covered in oil? Or do I need to clean everything inside somehow first? Time to do a bit of reading.